Good morning, this is Kate Weatherwise with a snowstorm update number 2 concerning the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast. So we take a look back yesterday and the watches, warnings, and advisories that I put out in my last video were blizzard warnings posted on the coast all the way from Delaware up to Massachusetts. Taking a look at today's watches, warnings, and advisories, additional blizzard warnings have been added to Delaware, all of New Jersey up into the Northeast, with hurricane force high wind warnings out over the ocean and storm warnings further inland. Now, as we take a look at the radar, temperatures are above freezing for central and southern Maryland into Delaware and New Jersey. However, that is going to change as the winter storm warning does not take effect until about 3 p.m. Eastern time this afternoon. So we will be waiting and watching as this system turns from rain to snow and the winds pick up as the low pressure traverses northeast. These are the temperatures around the area, as you can see, above freezing with below freezing temperatures in central Pennsylvania further north, but we're in the 40s down south. Taking a look at the rapid refresh model, that shows a very short window and is good at predicting temperatures. We see the temperatures start to change, and you see that low pressure system where the yellows and oranges are off the coast, bringing down that colder air from the north by this afternoon, which is when the winter storm warning and blizzard warnings are expected to take effect. This is the updated Rapid Refresh Model 2 showing snowfall totals as of this morning. Now, the blues are 3 to 6 inches approximately. You start getting into the purples and the pinks, that's over 10, 12, 14, 16 inches of snow. Now, this is showing a lot more snow this morning than last evening, that's for sure. But I'm still predicting 6 to 10 inches for you all in northeastern Maryland into Delaware and southern New Jersey when it's all said and done. But of course, these low pressure systems / nor'easters, as we like to call them, can be a little bit unruly when it comes to forecasting exactly where they're going to go and what they're going to do, as has happened so many times in the past. But it is absolutely fun to figure out what this system is going to do. So I will be coming back periodically to give more updates on the weather and what is happening on the ground as we go through the day today. This is Kate Weatherwise saying bye for now.